Okay, so now we're going to be looking at payment by piece. Payment by piece is payment to an employee for the amount of work completed. So for every unit of work completed, I get paid a certain amount of money. The other point here is, or to calculate the payment by piece, we'll multiply the units of work, so the amount of work that I've done, by the amount paid per unit. Okay, that's going to be important. We're going to come back to that, but it's the amount paid per unit. So let's have a look at this first question. It'll make more sense when we start doing so. Question 1. Len gets paid $5.25 per car washed. What will he make for washing 24 cars? Pretty easy. We look at our little note over here and it says multiply the units of work by the amount paid per unit. So let's do the units of work. So our pay is going to equal, well, what's our units of work? Well, we see he's washed 24 cars. So we're going to go 24 for our units of work, multiplied by how much we get paid for the work. So we see we get $5.25 per car, so that's what we're going to do. So $5.25. Now just to highlight this, this is our units of work, and this is the amount paid per unit. Okay, so that's how that breaks down. So we do 24 times $5.25, and our mate Len here has earned himself $126 outright. So pretty simple stuff. The next one is where units of work become a little bit more important to consider. So Julie delivers brochures. She's paid $23 per 1,000 brochures. What will she get for delivering? Oh, that should be, sorry. Oh yeah, that's a fun mistake. Okay, Julie delivers brochures. She's paid $23 per 1,000 brochures. What will she get for delivering 3,500 brochures? Well, if we look here, we have to multiply the units of work. We don't really know what, or we don't here have a clear idea of the units of work initially, but that's what we're going to work out first. So I'm going to go units of work, okay, just so I know what I'm working out in this little section. So she gets paid $23 for delivering 1,000 brochures. So that means she gets paid $23 per, so for every 1,000 brochures she delivers. So for 1,000 brochures, she gets $23. So that's our unit of work. So now we take how many brochures she's delivered, so it's 3,500. 3,500 brochures, okay? And we divide it by the amount that makes up 1 unit of work. So in that case, it's 1,000. So she has to deliver 1,000 to get $23. So we take the amount she delivered divided by what she needs to do to earn 1 unit of work. So that's going to equal 3.5. Okay, so 3.5 units of work. Units of work. Okay, so now we have a units of work. What do? So you multiply the units of work by the amount paid per unit. Okay, so let's go pay is going to equal, well, our units of work, which is 3.5, multiplied by amount paid per unit, which we know is $23. And that's going to equal $80.50. Pretty simple stuff. Units of work multiplied by the amount paid per unit. The only place you can come unstuck is calculating your units of work if it's not directly made explicit to you. And that is payment by piece.